I have the device going into a 30 dB attenuator into the spectrum analyzer. That attenuator, I think, is a 10 watt attenuator, so we should be in good shape. So if I push the little button, there we go, we get a carrier. So this is channel 1. Let's go ahead and, I'm sweeping between 462.5 and 462.76. All right, let me do a trace max hold. So that's channel 1. Let's go to channel 2, channel 3, channel 4, channel 5, channel 6, channel 7, and channel 8. So those are the repeater frequencies as per the FCC guidelines for GMRS. So we can do a peak on one of those, and we're measuring 6 watts, 5.99 watts in this particular setup, so that's good.